Hello, dear grade 8 students. Today we're going to talk about the subject-verb agreement. What do you mean by subject-verb agreement is that the verb must agree with the subject in number. What do you mean by a number? A number is the form of a word takes to indicate whether the word is singular or plural. When a word refers to one person, place, or thing or idea, then it's singular in number. But if it refers to more than one person, place, or thing, then it's plural in number. For example, the word egg is singular, eggs plural. It refers to more than one thing. And for person, we have people. For fox, we have foxes, and so on. A verb should agree with the subject. We have two rules. Number one, singular subjects take singular verbs. For example, the car comes to a sudden stop. The car here, this is a singular subject, so the verb must agree with the singular subject, and it's going to be comes. Number two, plural subjects take plural verbs. The dolphins leap playfully in the channel. The dolphins here, this is a plural subject, so the verb also must agree with the plural subject, so it's going to be leap. Let's see some examples here. Chinese lanterns. Lanterns here, this is plural. So the verb must agree with the plural subject, so it's going to be glow. Number three, the swimmer dives or dive. The swimmer here is singular, so it's going to be dives. We considers or consider. We is plural, so the verb also must agree with the subject. No S. Number five, the men was or were. Men is also irregular plural form, so it's going to be were. She asks or ask. She is singular, so it's going to be asks. These need, because it's plural. Those tacos, taste, because it's also plural. The music, sound or sounds. The music is singular, so it's going to be sounds. Lessons, take or takes. It's going to be take because lessons ends in S, so it's a plural noun. We have some problems in agreement. The number of a subject is not changed by the phrase or clause following the subject. For example, the lights on Christmas tree create a festive atmosphere. The prepositional phrase on the Christmas tree did not affect the number of the subject lights. So the number here is still plural, so the verb must agree with that plural subject. Number two, Karen's brother, who has always enjoyed bicycle repair, works at the bike shop on weekends. The adjective clause, who has always enjoyed bicycle repairs, does not affect the number of the subject brother. So it's still singular, so here we have a singular verb. We add S to the verb. Note here, if the subject is indefinite pronoun, all, any, more, most, none, or some, its number may be determined by the object of the prepositional phrase that follows it. All of the vegetables were peeled. All here refer to the word vegetables. Vegetables is a plural word, so the verb must agree with that plural word. Still plural. All of the salad was eaten. All here also refers to the singular word salad, so the verb must agree with that singular subject. Let's see some examples here. The launch of space shuttle is going to be attracts or attract. The launch here is a singular word, so it's going to be attracts. Our thermos, which is in the picnic basket, is or are. Therms here is singular word, so it's going to be is. That total collection of poems is or are. Collection here is singular, so it's going to be is. People in some states observe or observes. People is plural, so it's going to be observe. The children of the world need or needs. Children is irregular plural form, so it's going to be need. The house on the hill. House here is singular, so it's going to be is. Koalas that live in the wild and in captivity eat or eats. Koalas here is plural, so it's going to be eat. The principal of each high school Award or awards. Again, principle here is singular, so it's going to be awards. Stories about Hank Aaron's always make or makes. Here I'm talking about the stories itself. And it's plural, so it's going to be make. Last one, the cucumbers in my garden grow or grows. The cucumbers is plural, so the verb must agree with that plural subject. It's going to be grow. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.